Hi, I'm Andrea. Is it possible to lose weight using the law of attraction? Absolutely. In this video, I want to tell you how to think in order for you to lose weight. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for further notifications. This way, you won't miss any of my next videos. When you have a desire and you align with it, you manifest it, because everything in this universe is energy. Everything is vibration, even food. Your body interprets the vibration of food, and as everybody, we all want to benefit from the food we eat every day. First step to losing weight is to bring this thought at a conscious level and then send out your intention to the universe, because your body is your creation as well. The second step is to observe your body the way it looks right now. Yes, you need to look at those positive aspects of your body and start to appreciate them right now. Your body is your best friend. You have to befriend your body. Maybe you can look at how beautiful your skin is or how strong your body is. Like each and every one of your creations, the way your body looks is your creation as well. Your creation never stops improving. Your body is in constant change. The cells of your body are renewing periodically. You have to make peace with the way your body looks right now, having in mind the potential to transform itself even without your help. Now, personally, this thought alone makes me feel so much better. Because a lot of times I get stuck in nothing really changes trap that is absolutely not true. And this is the way we get to believe our thoughts, by looking at our body and tell it like it is. When you start to look at your body in a positive way, and you are in alignment with your inner being's opinion of your body, then you will receive the inspiration on what food to eat, food that is a vibrational match to what you are vibrating right now, food that you will benefit from. You could be inspired to exercise, or you could be inspired to buy a book with advices and recipes that match what you want. The idea is to reach harmony in your relationship with your body and in your relationship with food. Food is a very controversial topic for all of us. There is a variety of food out there that we believe is not beneficial for us, and yet we eat it because it tastes good, but we end up feeling regret and therefore lose our connection with our inner being and lose this stream of inspiration to act that your inner being is sending you. A way to make your vibration change, I know it worked for me, it was to do a little exercise every day. Not much, 10 minutes. It was the only thing that I could act upon right away. This way, I could see noticeable positive changes of my body, even if my weight was the same. We all know a worked out body looks a lot better. So for me, this action made all the difference in my vibration, and I finally got to feel a little better about my body. Exercise releases endorphin, releases stress, and in addition to that, you can feel the satisfaction of you taking action in the direction of your desired body. Then I got inspired to eat lighter food. It felt so much better to feel lighter and full of energy after eating my meal. After a while, you will notice small changes in your weight. Appreciate that change. Think about how well you are doing. Congratulate yourself during the day and keep going on. Vibration is as the basis of everything that we experience. You must get to the right vibration for you, and the way you know that is because it feels good, is because you feel satisfaction and improvement. Alignment empowers you to the right action. Now, this action could be different for each and one of you, but if you listen to the voice of your inner being and follow that better thought that you have found, and then take action following the inspiration that you received from your inner being, then you can transform your body weight. And just remember that every time you feel negative emotion, you are not allowing your inner being's guidance. So find those positive aspects and then follow through with inspired action. Motivate yourself. Talk to people who have lost weight. Listen to their stories. As more small changes happen, look in the mirror and say out loud, all those wonderful changes that you see. Talk about how much you love that your body is improving. You may not have the weight that you desire yet, but your body looks so much better and you feel so much better about it, and you are on your path. Use that as a motivation to go on. Continue to do this until you reach the body weight you desire. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and leave a comment. Till next time, bye.